Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, hit the roof. Have you ever heard a phrase in English that just didn't make sense, leaving you feeling a bit lost in conversation? Understanding idioms is key to truly grasping the nuances of the language and improving your communication skills. Let me tell you about my friend Alex. He was at a party, and someone mentioned their boss hit the roof after a big mistake. Alex, taking it literally, imagined the boss physically jumping up and hitting the ceiling, perhaps with a hammer. He spent the rest of the evening wondering if the boss was okay and if the ceiling needed repairs, much to everyone's amusement. So, what does hit the roof actually mean? It means to become extremely angry. It's a figurative expression, not literal. When someone hits the roof, they are furious, often yelling or showing intense frustration. Imagine a pressure cooker building up steam until it almost explodes. That's the intensity of anger this idiom describes. Let's look at a scenario where hit the roof is used correctly. Sarah's younger brother accidentally broke her favorite vase. When Sarah saw the shattered pieces, she didn't just get annoyed. She hit the roof, shouting and expressing her extreme disappointment. Her reaction showed true fury, not a literal jump, but an outburst of intense emotion. Here are some examples of how to use this idiom. First, when he found out about the lie, he hit the roof. This means he became extremely angry upon discovering the deception. Second, my mom will hit the roof if I don't clean my room. This implies she will be very angry if the room isn't tidy. Third, the manager hit the roof after the team missed the deadline. This shows the manager's extreme displeasure with the missed deadline. To help you remember, imagine someone so incredibly angry that they literally jump up and their head almost touches the ceiling. This exaggerated image of someone nearly hitting the roof with their anger can make the idiom stick in your mind. The exact origin of hit the roof isn't definitively known, but it likely emerged from the idea of anger causing such an outburst that one might physically leap or burst upwards. It's a vivid image that has been used for centuries to describe intense rage. Other idioms express similar levels of anger. For example, blow a fuse means to suddenly lose your temper. Another one is go ballistic, which also describes becoming extremely angry and out of control. On the opposite end, keep your cool means to remain calm and composed, even in difficult situations. And stay calm is another way to describe maintaining a peaceful demeanor. A common mistake is using hit the roof for mild annoyance. Remember, it's for extreme anger. If you're just a little bit irritated, you might say you're annoyed or frustrated, but not hitting the roof. Using it incorrectly can make your expression sound much more intense than you intend. Now, let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. Question: what does it mean to you, hit the roof? Choice A, to be very happy. Choice B, to be very angry. Choice C, to be very tired. The correct answer is B, to be very angry. In summary, hit the roof is a powerful idiom used to describe becoming extremely angry. It's not about physical action, but about an intense emotional outburst. Now it's your turn. Try using hit the roof in your own sentences. Practice makes perfect, and incorporating new idioms into your vocabulary will greatly enhance your English fluency. If you enjoyed today's content and found it helpful, please like and follow for more English idiom lessons. See you next time.